Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's been a few weeks since I did the video where I was talking about the collection of my Model 3 and the paint issues that were found during the inspection I did when picking up the vehicle. So it took a little while to get that sorted because I needed a courtesy vehicle, because Tesla Newcastle is a good sort of hour's drive away from me. I had to wait until one became available. So I believe it was around the 24th of January it finally got booked in for service. They did inspect it, I think around the, I think it was perhaps around the 6th of January, something like that, I can't remember. But yeah, eventually went in on the 24th of January. Took about 3 weeks to get sorted. They ended up respraying several parts of the car. The bonnet, the front bumper, the near side rear tailgate upper, near side rear upper roof arch, and both of the front sills where it was missing the paint just behind the front wheel arches. In addition to that, they've done a full machine polish of the vehicle as well to get everything up to scratch, and I have to say it looks absolutely spotless now. Should this have been sorted before I got the car? Yes, absolutely, but it's sorted now, so you know, I'm not going to get too angry about that. It's frustrating, sure. I mean, I've not had my car for 3 weeks or so since I got it, but it's sorted now and it looks absolutely perfect. So once all the paint had been sorted, I then wanted to basically do everything I could to keep the car in as good a condition for as long as possible. So what I then did was I took the car over to Reap Yorkshire over in Knaresborough to really get it some extra care and protection. So what I had them do was I had them do a enhancement machine polish just to get absolutely all of the any minor imperfections that were possibly left in the paint removed, as well as a full decontamination of the paint. What I then had them do was add the Lumar Platinum self-healing paint protection film to the front of the car, the bonnet, the front wings, the wing mirrors, the sills, the rear splash guards, the headlights and the A-pillars. They call this their track pack kit. Basically it's anywhere that would be sort of in the firing line for stone chips. I didn't get the entire car covered in PPF because it's crazy expensive as it is, and so to get the whole car sorted would have been just a bit much. But what I did do to protect the rest of the car and to keep it really easy to clean and things like that was I had ceramic coating added. So what I had them add was the G-Technic CS Light and the EXO ceramic coating layer. So it's like 2 layers of ceramic coating, which should hopefully last for about 5 years. So what that should do is help keep the car looking extra shiny, make it a bit easier to wash, and help with protecting it from things, you know, like bird poo and things like that might land on the car. So that's been applied to the entire exterior of the car, as well as the aero wheel covers as well. In addition to that, they've also done the interior, so all of the seats have been done, all of the interior surfaces have been done. Any rubber and plastic and leather and stuff has all been kind of coated just to make it that bit easier to clean and to protect against, you know, potential accidents or spills or marks that might happen. All of this will hopefully help keep the car looking in tip-top condition for as long as I have the car, and I am planning to keep this car long term, so yeah, hopefully it will stay looking in its best for as long as possible. So that's what we've done so far. Obviously I've not really done many videos on what it's like to live with the car yet, because, well, I only really had it for a couple of weeks before I handed it off to Tesla. So I've had the car, well, the car's been mine for about 2 months, but I've only had it for about 3.5 weeks of that, because obviously it was with Tesla for about 3.5 weeks, and then was with the detailers for effectively another week as well. But now it's finally mine, I've finally got it back. So yeah, it's now time to enjoy the car. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you got any questions about what I've done? Any questions about the car in general? What would you like to see videos on with the car? Let me know, again, just down in the comments, and I'll see what I can get sorted for you. In the meantime, if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.